How to download Play Store in laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into how to download the Play Store in laptop. So, without waste of time, let me start. Firstly, open any web browser that is on your computer. Here type to search BlueStacks. Click on this. Now click to open this first link for the office website of BlueStacks. Now click on this blue button to download the software. Click on Start Download. After downloading, click on Open. Now the setup windows will pop up here. Click on Install Now. Click on I agree to continue with the setup. Now the software will start downloading. It will take several times according to your network speed. So, be patient. Now once it's done, it will open up or start up automatically. And boom! We have now successfully installed the Play Store on the computer. We can now download all Play Store apps and use them on the computer. That's how to download the Play Store in laptop. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.